Exploring the phrase, campsite. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a word that's popular among nature enthusiasts, travelers, and adventurers. Campsite. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a campsite is and how to use it in sentences. A campsite or camping pitch is a place used for overnight stay in an outdoor area. In the United States, it is a term frequently used to describe a dedicated area where one can set up a tent and camp. Campsites can be found in many places, from the wilderness to designated areas in parks. Key features. 1. Location. Campsites can be located in forests, by lakes, on mountains, or even in specific campgrounds. 2. Facilities. Some campsites offer facilities like toilets, water sources, and even electricity. Others are more primitive, with no amenities. 3. Duration. People use campsites for short stays, like one night, or for longer durations during camping trips. To truly grasp a word, it's essential to know how to use it in a sentence. Here are some examples. 1. We set up our tent at a beautiful campsite next to the river. 2. The national park has several designated campsites for tourists. 3. Before it got dark, we needed to find a suitable campsite to rest for the night. 4. The campsite had clean facilities and a playground for children. Understanding words that are similar can also enhance comprehension. Here are some synonyms and related words. 1. Campground. A place with several campsites, often with facilities. 2. Pitch. Especially used in the UK. It means a spot where you can set up your tent or park your caravan. 3. Camp. A more general term that can refer to the act of camping or the site itself. Understanding the term campsite can open up conversations about nature, travel, and outdoor adventures. We hope this video has given you a clear picture of what a campsite is and how you can use the word effectively. Happy camping and happy learning!